Hello boys and girls and Stingray parents. Today we are going to be multiplying fractions. More specifically, we are going to be multiplying mixed numbers, and we'll see the importance of converting these mixed numbers into improper fractions first. So let's take a look at a few problems and give them a try. Okay, boys and girls, here we have two mixed numbers, 2 3/4 times 3 1/6. What we need to do first, if we're going to multiply these two mixed numbers, is convert them into improper fractions. Right now, it would be very complicated to try to multiply these two mixed numbers. So let's use the around the world technique to change these mixed numbers into improper fractions. And the first step is we take the denominator and we multiply it by the whole number. So it's going to be 4 times 2, which will give us 8, and then we add that product to the numerator. So we have 4 times 2 is 8 plus 3 is 11. So we have a new numerator of 11, and our denominator stays the same. And if you wanted to check this, you could just go backwards. 4 goes into 11 2 times, and you would have a remainder of 3. 3 what? 3/4. So this mixed number becomes that improper fraction. We do the same thing with our next mixed number. The denominator, 6 times 3, will give us 18, plus 1 will give us 19. So we have 19 over here. And once again, the denominator stays the same. So this mixed number goes right there. We need to multiply these two numbers together, and both, we know with the fractions, you just multiply numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. Denominator times denominator, 4 times 6 is 24. That's not much of a challenge, to tell you the truth. Let's multiply 19 times 11 down here. And when we do that, 1 times 9 is 9, 1 times 1 is 1. Put a 0 here as a placeholder. 1 times 9 is 9, 1 times 1 is 1. We add these two together. 9 plus 0 is 9. 1 plus 9 is 10. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So we have 209 24ths. Now the neat thing about working with fractions is we really have to persevere. We're not done with this problem because this is an improper fraction, and although we needed to change the mixed numbers into improper fractions to multiply, we can't leave our answer like this. So we are going to change our improper fraction into a mixed number. How we do that? We take the numerator and we divide it by the denominator. In fact, you've heard me say this over and over again in class, and you guys repeat it too. Every fraction is really a division problem. 209 24ths is really 209 divided by 24. That's a fraction. Now, 24 goes into 20 no time, but it'll go into 209 approximately. Well, this is the mental math I'm doing. I'm saying 24 is real close to 25. And I know that there's 4 25s in 100. So I don't have 100 here, I have a little over 200. So it's got to go into it 8 times. And let's test it out. 8 times 4 is 32. So I put the 2 there, carry the 3. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 plus 3 is 19. So I got 192. I subtract. 9 minus 2 is 7. 0, can't do that, so I got to regroup or borrow. This becomes a 10, this becomes a 1. 10 minus 9 is 1. So we have a remainder of 17. Now what does this mean? Well, our quotient here, our whole number quotient, becomes our whole number, 8. Our remainder becomes our numerator. After all, we have 17 Not just 17, but we have 17 24ths as our remainder. So here's our final answer. We did quite a bit of work. We took the mixed numbers, we converted them to improper fractions, and then we took the improper fractions and multiplied them together, which gave us a really big improper fraction. We can't leave our answer like that, so we changed it back into a mixed number, and we got 8 and 17/24. We still need it. Is there anything we can reduce or simplify? And the answer is no. So our final answer is 8 and 17/24. Thank you very much for your time.